Good morning, everyone. This is Brandon again, aka Goat Element Autoworks, aka BG Customs. This is me again showing another one of my vehicles. This is a 2003 SL500. The only modification that I've done to this so far is I switched the wheels out. They came with those weak Mercedes 17s, and so I put the AMG 20-inch staggered wheels on here. So this gives it a more modern, I call it a manly look. It makes the car look a little tougher. Before, I say it look a little feminine. I apologize to anyone who still has the 17s on here. But I also painted the calipers a gold color. You know, gold is my favorite color next to black. But this is a silver car, obviously, and I prefer black personally, but on this car, silver on silver looks great with the wheels, and the gold calipers accent it perfectly. Now, anyone who knows these 2003 SL500s and some of them in the later years knows that the ABC suspension is what is installed on these cars. Anyone who understands the ABC suspension, the hydraulic fluid suspension, the active body control suspension, understands that they are problematic over the years. This is a 2003. And so the suspension, although it was ahead of its time and with a perfectly working ABC suspension, there's nothing like it comfort-wise and performance-wise. Well, when they are 16 years old, it can become a hassle, very expensive to maintain. They do offer a coilover suspension conversion kit for these. It requires some other modification besides just swapping out the coils. I believe you have to get a power steering pump from maybe it's a Mercedes ML55 or something like that, You have to get a specific power steering pump that will fit in this car. And also there's some other adjustments, but no different really than what I've had to do with my CL55. Okay, but there's more options out there for the CL55. There's more coilover conversion kits available for the CL55, okay, versus the the SL500. So I have to do a little bit more research and find the best kit that I'm gonna go with, because right now I'm getting that red ABC warning light when I hit bumps real hard. And before that, well, besides that, also the car likes to lift up in one corner while it's sitting there idly. It does it sometimes. But now, all the time, when I hit a hard bump, the red ABC light comes on. So, I'm gonna make some changes with that. I like the ride, love the ride, actually. When the top comes down, there's nothing like it, okay? So that is one of my projects that I have to take on, okay? Hope you like the car. I will update you as I continue to progress in my modifications. Talk to you later.